AgTech Tech Tip: Vector Data Cleanup. When working with vector PDF files, the quality of the vector data will vary from file to file. In most cases, the vector data generates lines that can be joined to create continuous lines that may be quickly elevated. In some cases, the vector data does not generate consistent lines. For example, the lines may overlap or they may not connect end to end. In this case, you may want to clean up the lines before assigning elevations. And there are several tools that may be used. One common issue is the vector lines do not join properly. There is either a gap between the lines or they overlap, creating a zigzag in the line. And we can use the F7 key to correct these issues. We will first look at lines with a gap too large to use the join command. First, make sure snap is enabled. Select the end point of one of the lines. Then move the cursor over the end point of the adjacent line and press the F7 key to snap to the line. Select both segments using the Windows Select and press the Join button. Keep the default distance of 0.1 feet and click OK. The line should now join. Repeat this where needed. If the lines joined but there was an overlap, pick one of the overlapping points and move the cursor to a spot to make the line smooth. Press the F7 key to move the point. You may want to turn off snap to move the points. You may move the point several times if necessary. Another issue is the lines may join incorrectly. For example, the curb lines may join to the wrong lines. In this case, you may need to break the lines where needed. Select the point you want to create a break and press Ctrl X on the keyboard. If there are a lot of lines that need to be corrected, it may be quicker to snap a new line to the vector data. Go to Entry Mode and change the layer to Annotation. Press L to enter a label on the line. Then click OK. Make sure Snap is enabled. Enter 0 for the elevation and snap to the current lines. Use Line Snap whenever possible. Then right-click to end the line. Then use these lines when assigning elevations.